How to make a Ubisoft account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have downloaded and installed your Ubisoft application on your device. Now it will look something like this. Now then tap on open after getting installed and it will lead you to the home page of Ubisoft Connect. Now wait until it gives you another page. So here you can see the option of login or join us. So you can just tap on login or join us, and here you can tap on create an account. So if you're already registered, you can just tap on login, but if you're new, you can tap on create an account, or you can also connect with Xbox. Now I'm going to tap on the email address over here, then add on the password, enter your age, accept the terms and condition, then tap on create an account. Okay, just making corrections with the password. Tap on create an account. Now it will send a verification code on your email ID that you have associated with this application. So you can just wait, and here you can see the security code. Then tap on create an account. And there you go. You have created and made a Ubisoft account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.